Need to free up space or erase data securely on Android or iPhone? Wondershare SafeEraser is a top pick. It clears junk and deletes files permanently, making recovery impossible. In this video, we'll review SafeEraser and explore the best alternatives. Part 1. Wondershare SafeEraser Review Pros and Cons. Pros. Easy to use with a simple interface. Permanently deletes all data for privacy. Fast junk and large file cleanup. Cons. May crash occasionally. Free version is limited. Lacks advanced features. Part 2. Top 4 best alternatives to Wondershare SafeEraser. Top 1. Mobikin Eraser for Android. Looking for a top alternative to Wondershare SafeEraser? Mobikin Eraser for Android is a trusted choice, used by millions to securely wipe all Android data. Step 1. Open the tool on your computer and connect your Android device via USB. Enable USB debugging on your phone as prompted. Once detected, click Erase to continue. Step 2. Select a security level, type Delete to confirm, and click Erase to scan your device. Note: low level, fast erase, data unrecoverable. Medium level, 1 overwrite for full data removal. High level, 3 overwrites for maximum security. Step 3. After scanning, the program will automatically erase your Android data and overwrite it according to the chosen security level. Step 4. To remove system data and settings, perform a factory data reset following the on-screen instructions. Once done, click Continue to permanently wipe your Android data. Top 2. Mobikin Eraser for iOS. SafeEraser is useful but has some downsides. A better alternative for Apple devices is Mobikin Eraser for iOS. It's more secure, efficient, and works on Mac, PC, and all iDevices, erasing data with no chance of recovery. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to your PC. The first step to take is to launch the installed eraser for iOS on your computer and then link your iPhone to the computer via the USB cord. Once connected, you will find the basic information about your iPhone displayed on the main interface. Step 2. Select the security level you need. Just tap on Erase on the interface to proceed to the next step. After that, you will be allowed to choose a security level you need by clicking on Medium, which will bring out a window for you to choose a level: low, medium, high. Step 3. Start to delete files from your iPhone. Choose the right erasing mode according to your need and type Delete into the box to confirm. Finally, click on Erase again to erase all deleted data on your iPhone. Top 3. Shred it. Erases photos, videos, docs, and more. Simple, user-friendly design. Deletes multiple files at once. Customizable overwrite passes. Privacy first. No data recovery possible. Fast and lightweight. Top 4. Tenespro Droid Wiper. Permanently erases Android data. Multiple security wipe modes. Simple, user-friendly interface. Works with most Android devices. Fast and efficient. Secures personal info before resale.